Home security is a top priority for homeowners in Knoxville, and one of the most important yet often overlooked factors is the quality of your entry door installation. Your front door serves as the primary barrier between your home and potential intruders, making proper installation just as important as the door itself. Whether you're upgrading an older door or installing a new one, understanding how entry door installation affects security can help you make smarter decisions for your home and family. Why your entry door matters for security. Your entry door is the first line of defense against break-ins. While many homeowners focus on alarm systems and cameras, a poorly installed door can make it much easier for intruders to gain access. Even a high-quality door can become vulnerable if it isn't installed correctly. A properly installed entry door ensures that the door frame, hinges, and locking system work together to create a strong and secure barrier. When installation is done correctly, it reduces gaps, strengthens the frame, and improves the door's ability to withstand force. The importance of a strong door frame. One of the most critical elements of entry door security is the door frame. In many break-ins, the door itself remains intact while the frame gives way under pressure. Professional entry door installation ensures the frame is reinforced and securely anchored to the structure of the home. Installers often use longer screws and reinforced strike plates that connect deeply into the wall studs. This greatly improves resistance against forced entry attempts such as kicking or prying. In Knoxville neighborhoods where homes vary in age and construction style, ensuring the frame is properly aligned and secured can make a significant difference in overall security. Proper alignment prevents vulnerabilities. Door alignment plays a major role in both security and functionality. When an entry door is misaligned, it can create gaps between the door and the frame. These gaps may allow intruders to manipulate locks or pry the door open more easily. Correct installation ensures the door sits evenly within the frame and closes tightly. Weather stripping, seals, and thresholds also fit properly when the door is aligned correctly, eliminating weak points that could be exploited. In addition to improving security, proper alignment helps maintain energy efficiency by preventing drafts and moisture from entering the home. High-quality hardware. Installation. Locks and hardware are essential components of entry door security, but they are only effective if installed correctly. Professional installers ensure deadbolts align perfectly with the strike plate and that the locking mechanism functions smoothly. A properly installed deadbolt extends fully into the reinforced strike plate, making it much harder for intruders to force the door open. Installers may also recommend upgraded hardware, such as smart locks or multi-point locking systems, to enhance protection. These upgrades are especially beneficial for homeowners who want both modern convenience and increased security. The role of door materials. The type of entry door you choose also plays a role in security. Steel, fiberglass, and solid wood doors each offer different levels of durability and resistance to impact. Professional installation ensures these materials perform at their best. For example, a steel door must be properly fitted to prevent warping, while fiberglass doors require precise installation to maintain structural strength. In Knoxville, where seasonal weather changes can cause materials to expand and contract, expert installation helps maintain long-term durability and security. Long-term protection for Knoxville homes. Investing in professional entry door installation provides lasting protection for your home. When installed correctly, an entry door strengthens the entire entryway, from the frame and hardware to the door itself. Beyond security, a well-installed entry door also improves curb appeal, energy efficiency, and overall home value. For Knoxville homeowners, upgrading or properly installing an entry door is a practical step toward creating a safer and more secure living environment. By focusing on quality materials and expert installation, you can ensure your entry door serves as a reliable barrier that protects your home for years to come.